Lead first. Pull out. Draw or pull. Then raise the needle again. In this stitch, we hook to stitches. The rule of this circle is to short needles. Short stitch plus stitch and a short stitch. 2 sets of 1 stitch. To stitches are good. This is also to stitches of short stitch plus stitch. Then crochet again. It feels a bit flat like this. We'll turn it over and back. Turn the outside out, should say. Because we were not good at ticking just now. Put the outside in. Well, the next stitch has 2 short stitches inside. One stitch. Good to stitches. Inside the last stitch is a short stitch. Good. Then draw on the first stitch. If you can't find the first stitch, count back. If this circle is hooked, there are 6 stitches in total. First pin pull. Pulling is still the same tension. Pick it out after straining. Then from this stitch, hook it in. Hook in from the first stitch to get a long thread. Good. Cut off the 2 threads here. And then take the rest of this little bit. We can use tool scissors. Poke this bit of thread into him. Okay, this is the outside of the nose. Then we take the subject. You can pick whichever side you think looks better. Do the front. Good. Compare. For hot melt glue, we heat it with a lighter. I'm using internal testing here. Just put it in the middle. He won't turn black when heated up like this. If it is tested externally, it is very easy to turn black. Turn black. Scared me. And fill it all at once. Otherwise, it will be more troublesome to make up later. It would be better to use this kind of glue gun. Good. Press and hold. Press it and wait for it to dry. Then another slice. Also the same. For hot melt glue, it doesn't matter how long or short it is. It's enough. Just like this, bend the inside like this. Then smear it in. Because he can draw. After painting it, I need to fix it. Then take advantage of our current glue, which is a bit pointed. Use this pointy tip to pinch this eye. Because the eyes are smaller. I'm afraid that if it is too wide, it will. This is called if it looks like this. This end will burn your hands. A little heart. I tried the eyes. Just pinching it in the middle makes it look dull. So more. Too slightly. A bit below the middle. Just paint a little bit on the eyes. Then the nose. If you think he's not sharp enough, then let's warm it up first. Pinch the wings first. Pinch the wings first. Then when you pinch the wings again. When painting, just make this hot melt glue a little bit sharper. In that case, pinch your nose. Because the nose is relatively small, it will be better to pinch the nose. Then we pinch the nose. This way we are done. Then let's see. If you want to do something like this. That's right, the one with braids. Then we need to cut the length of this little braid. You can cut it a little bit longer. Lights to repair. Don't be too short. Good. That's probably how we compare. Because it is double layered. It's worn in double layers. Then I will cut 3 pieces here first. We're on the left. First cut 3. Then this time, we need to use this. Thicker sewing needles. But what about thicker sewing needles? Here's what we hooked. He's more difficult to wear. It is more difficult to wear in this place. If you say, you think you can't wear it? Then we use thin suture needles to thread them one by one. What about me, to be lazy? Just wear it on this corner. Pull through. Then, can't we pull them all over? Stay here some time. We still need to go back through this hole. Then a circle is formed here. Do you see it? Let's take a look when a circle is formed. Adjust the length. Almost. Just take this. Pull into this circle. Tension. Then here we don't cut. Then make the other side and trim it together. Look at the length of the sides. Of course, if we want more. Then we're a little more according to the method just now. If you want it to be longer, cut it longer. Anyway, that's how it works. In that case, we'll, finish the whole thing.